Hi, just bought this thing from AliExpress, which is shows 100-watt PD, and as you can see, PD is 65-watt and 100-watt on the USB. Also, it has got the description here. But the thing is, this is actually 65-watt. It's not even 65-watt. This is showing basically only 30 watts maximum. So let me connect it again. As you can see, it's on, and this is my charger for DJI, which is capable to use 65 watt, but it is showing only one charge, which is showing fast charge, and it shows here on the meter 19 watts, even though in this meter 1920 watts again. So basically this is not charging as 65 watts on the socket as is in front of you. So that's, I wanted to send it back because I paid money, extra money for this fast charger up to 65 watt, but this is not the 65 watts. It says only 65 watt, but it's not making. It's 18 watts, or maximum it goes like maximum it will go, I think 30 watts maximum. Yeah, 25. So that's it. It will be sent back. Thank you.